But I did go ahead and start looking at these. I noticed these were new, but when I found this box, it was already open like that and emptied out. So I put them all back, and the Lamborghini was already gone, man. You know, same for this. This one was full of them, but this one was empty, and all these were just thrown everywhere. Anyway, I put it back, and this is what I came up with. Here, these are 4 of the number 11s. And if you don't know which numbers is which, I'll show you in a minute, man. But yeah, 4 number 11s, 2 number 2s, and 2 number 3s. So if you guys know, we unboxed these in the other video, in the earlier video, so check that out, man. So I'm missing some that are unopened, I think. And then as far as the 11s, they're pretty sweet, man. I'll show you which ones these are in a minute. But yeah, that's gonna be the little haul right there. And before you guys start hating in the comments and stuff, I'm taking some of these because I got a few friends that are local that are missing the number 11. So there's no eBay selling and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? And then I went ahead and looked at the Matchbox, and I found this police car right here, 59. Also, this little digger, a mini bulldozer, which it's got the little wheels like that. The tractor, or the tractor piece doesn't roll. It's little wheels, like kind of like that Super Treasure Hunt DeLorean, you know. And I looked at this Jeep right here, Rubicon. So that's gonna be it. And the little guns ain't mine. I just using the cart. And as far as this, nothing really new. I'm just gonna try to keep this video short. So there's no point. Oh, I did find this. It's old though, you know. International, I think, or whatever, exclusive number on there. But the red Cuda. And also, Sam told me that there's a Skyline for these out right now. This is the Fair Lady, but it's a Skyline that's like supposed to be super neat, but they don't have it. Shoot, man, that's it, man. So yeah, that's it. That's the haul right here, guys. Oh, before I go, let me show you guys how to read the number. So before you go opening the package, you know what I'm saying, you can see the M04-06, and that just means that it's the number 6 car. So that's the BMW. And the ones I got are 2 of the Vipers, 2 of the Acura, which, you know, we're big JDM fans, so we're gonna get that. I think one of them's going to us, one's to the friend, and then the number 11s also to our JDM partner David. He hunted with us. Check out that video. But yeah, that's how you read the number, man. After the dash, you know, after the 6, boom, there you go. And then there you go. Unfortunately, I couldn't take the whole box. I wanted to, but I don't want to just leave them, you know, all over the damn place. So yeah, so I know I messed up the recording on the last video, so I'm gonna hunt this way for you guys. And let me just check real quick, make sure I don't see that what the heck do you call it, the Moon Eye Skyline. It's a Moon Eye Skyline Sam told me about, but I do not see it. They do have these, man. I bought my little nephew 2 of these. I opened one up for him, and he took it hunting with us in the store and lost the darn thing, man. Somewhere in this. Maybe another lucky kid picked it up. Who knows, man? But yeah, this thing that caught my eye right here, boom, Volkswagen If you watch some of our other videos, man, you guys know we're huge Volkswagen fans. There's that Datsun. I already got a bunch of those. Well, not a bunch, but I got them. I got it. This, look at the little black dogs. And if you got the pink car of this, I know I mentioned this probably before, the little dogs are white with the pink casting. But something that's new, I've never seen before, man, and I'm starting to collect like police cars for some reason. I'm gonna make that like my thing. And I've been seeing comments on like what to look for, what to get, you know. And Hot Wheels is not really all about super treasures or treasure hunts. I know some collectors make it out to be that way, and there's a ton of channels that make it out to be that way. But I mean, it really just depends on, like, you know, what you like, man. That's the way I look at it. We don't only go for supers or treasures. I mean, we do find them and we do post those videos because a lot of you guys like it, you know. I mean, we like it too, don't get me wrong, but I mean, shoot. And this is a perfect example, man. It's not only about, you know, Hot Wheels, dude. As you can see, I'm looking at Matchbox, and I like Matchbox. So I mean, if you guys got any tips on some of these guys asking what to look for, what to collect, post it in the comments, man. See, like, this could be classified as an error. Some people like errors or whatever. I don't know, but I'm gonna take the clean one. This is new too, by the way. I don't know how to read the case numbers on these, but if you guys know, let me know too. Pretty new to this, but yeah, let me give you guys some screen time to this mini taxi. It's pretty neat. And then the glass is like, it slides, I guess you could say. Yeah. And they are bringing these back in. So if you guys missed this set, they are bringing them back into Walmarts. So hopefully your Walmart gets them. I don't know. Oh, dang, man. I was about to walk away without... Yeah, this thing needs some camera time right here. Oh, what? El Camino, dude. Oh, I hope I find another one. Heck yeah. Oh, and dude, funny story, man. I got rear-ended on my way here. There's that Charger everyone seems to be crazy about. I know some spots didn't get it. Anyway, man, I got rear-ended on my way here. So I get down, I get off the car, get out the car, and then the other guy got out his car. I looked at my damage. Well, I asked him if he was alright. He seemed to be alright. He said, yeah, I'm alright. I was like, good, man, that's good to hear. And nothing happened to my truck. So I was like, you know, hey, are you okay? What do you want to do about this? And he's like, well, I'm okay. I was like, I'm okay too. I was like, if you're okay, I'm okay. Let's just get the out of here, or let's just get out of here. And yeah, that's what we did, man. We both got out of there. You know, no harm, no foul, I guess. That's what you call that. But I don't know. I felt like telling somebody that story, man. And no, I did not find one. So I'm pretty sure there's only one per case, unless it's been shot. Oh, but yeah, anyway, so this is the haul, guys. For this, let me check out the Hot Wheels. Let's see here. Nothing really new with that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about that story, man. Cause I mean, I'm pretty sure he was on his phone. He looked like he was 20, 21. His girlfriend was in the car, and you know, I didn't want to make a big deal about it. I got a pretty busy weekend. I don't got time for that stuff, man. And, you know, nothing happened to me. Obviously, I'm alive. Everything's working. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me know what you guys think about that story, man. What would you have done if you were in that situation? Because I know some sketchy people, man. They would have done something different. But I'm a big believer in karma. So, but anyway, man, that's it. Boom, right there. No Hot Wheels. Looking like California up in here, man. I'm just kidding. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. You know, stay hunting. That's how you find the good stuff. For all you people that dislike my video, man, for finding the stuff. If you don't hunt, you don't find. That's about it, man, I think.